Hello guys, this is Ashish from HWIFX. This is another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys about the very basic about support and resistance. Okay, so let's start how a support and resistance forms. Okay, let's see market is moving down and then all of a sudden market start going up. So when it happens, this becomes the support, this point where market forms a support. Okay, and then what happens, we will wait for the opportunity to buy from this support when market will come back here. Okay, so this is a way support forms. This is the one condition we buy at support. Then what is the second condition, what also can happen over here? Let me tell you. So what happens, forms a support and then market breaks it, then what happens, and then market reverse it, and then this broken support becomes resistance and we sell from here. So this is support becomes resistance. Okay, this is what we say as SBR, support become resistance. Okay, this is a way market works. So either we will buy at this support or we will sell at this support becomes resistance. This is an brief idea about support. Okay, so now let's see about resistance. Let's see if market is, how's resistance form. Market is going up, continuously up, and all of a sudden market starts going down. When it happens, market creates a resistance. This is the resistance. Okay, so what happens here, we will wait for market to come at this point again and we will sell from here. This is the scenario one. Second thing, what can happen, market goes and breaks this resistance and then come back and then we buy from here. So what is this, market, this is resistance, broken resistance, and it becomes RBS. Resistance becomes support. So what we do here, we sell from resistance and we buy from broken resistance which becomes support. So in this lesson, what we understand, we buy where? Let me type here. We buy from support and RBS. Sell from resistance and SBR. Okay, so this is the thing. We only buy from support or resistance becomes support, sell from resistance becomes support becomes resistance. Okay, so let me give you an idea about it. Uh, Here, what happens? Okay, so let's see if market creates a resistance like this, then this market breaks it, then either we will sell from here, we will have a candle over here. Okay, or we will have a candle over here to sell. So either So either we are going to sell from this support breaks becomes resistance, or we are going to sell from resistance. So this is a sell idea. Okay, and this candle will be in the green, I think. Okay, and this will be red. Okay, and the same way, if we buy and it breaks, then either we will buy from here or we will buy from here. So this is the thing. Either resistance becomes support or we will buy from support. Okay. So this is something which market always does. Okay. So we need to understand this properly. There are so many things. People sometimes say this order block, breaker block, supply, demand, and all, but it's all about support and resistance. Okay, we buy from support or resistance becomes support, then we sell from resistance or support becomes resistance. That's it. That's what market always does back to back. So this was a basic video about support and resistance. It was all about support and resistance, guys. So we will look you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.